There it is. That's another freaking gem right there. Pay attention. When you trying to get funding and stuff, ah damn boy, people will literally graze past these type of interviews and stuff and not get anything out of them. He's literally giving y'all so many gems, man.
So he ain't got none of that. Where a classmate says, hey man, we used to go to school with Dr. Umar John. Nigga ain't got none of that. This nigga just show up talking children's psychology talk with no results.
Mm-hmm.
With no results, homie. So I'm saying he can't, nigga, don't too many niggas want to sit down with me and really have a serious conversation about why I say this, why I do this, and I take you back to how I got here and why I'm doing all this. Y'all made me change, nigga. I started out doing this shit every way, which right possible, nigga. With tears in my eyes, with no money in my pocket, with a broken heart, nigga. Was celibate for 11 months, nigga, unintentionally, but just, nigga, just in purpose. It was just in purpose, though, homie. Because a woman wasn't, because I had just started a youth program and I had other men who was coming home from prison, and I'm trying to lead and guide these niggas that they don't, you know. So, homie, I'm trying to build a program that also fights recidivism. Because I'm giving these niggas something to do after prison.
Yeah.
And not only that, nigga, it's therapeutic. Because every time we go before kids, each one of us see a kid that was once us before. Man, that nigga remind me of you. You know, so nah, nigga, so yeah, nah, that nigga Dr. Umar don't.
Wait a minute. You can't just graze past that though, boy. That one say pretty much, man. Listen, I was celibate for 11 months unintentionally. Like I ain't do that on purpose. I was.
Want to sit with me, homie? I embarrassed that nigga.
I ask him.
Nigga, they done offered us some money. Nigga, I know they at least offered us 15 apiece.
I'll put it up.
They offered me and Umar 15,000 apiece. I said yeah. He said no. He needed now though. Counted me. He needed now though.
Please, man, yo, that's messed up.
To it now, and I'm gonna be and hold on, I don't mean to disrespect the guy. Because at one point in time I had admiration for him, but I always kept my reserve because you done met Pops, homie. Yeah. The old man say, homie, the strongest man in the land is the man who wake up and don't have to ask nobody for a goddamn thing. No job, a ride, sugar, nothing. A nigga that have to, or somebody who have to go ask somebody for a job is a man who don't know how to fish. Yeah. So nigga, once you start understanding these parables, and nigga, now you got a man teaching you. So nigga, if I need it, I ain't asking no man for nothing. If I ain't got it, I can't get it. But if I got a buddy I know I can go get it from, I ain't going to ask him for nothing I can't get no return on. Right. So I'm saying, nigga, if Dr. Umar got to come before the world, because if I go broke, nigga, I ain't got to come ask y'all for nothing. Nigga, I got some numbers in my phone to say, homie, listen, woo, woo, woo. And because of my character and who I am, nigga, I can get 5 and 10. Yeah. And I ain't asking for much, nigga. But nigga, I'm gonna try not to ask. Yeah. Yeah. Cause I wanna be strong. So now, nigga, for that nigga to have to publicly come before.
Yeah, and I respect the heck out of that, man. I respect the heck out of that. And man, listen, the men out there know. Well, I'm hoping, the guys that watch this channel, you gonna fall on some hard times once or twice in your life, man. And that thought may cross your doggone mind. But most men, that's like a last resort type of thing. Like, I know if I need something, I know you got me. But I'm not going to ask. I'm going to try my best to get it out the mud any way possible. Damn it, if I got to go work at McDonald's, then we're going to make it do what it do. And if I got to go bust tables at a damn restaurant or whatever, we're going to have to do whatever it is that we need to do to make sure that we accomplish whatever we need to accomplish until we can get back on our feet. And I respect the hell out of those guys. A lot of people frown upon people either going back to old jobs or working minimum wage jobs, driving Uber, Lyft, or whatever. I'm never gonna be that invested in another man's pockets. I'm never gonna look down on somebody because they out here trying to get money. Listen, even when what I'm saying, somebody had 5 figures coming, or had, 5 figures in the bank, still out there grinding, still out there, doing Uber or whatever, still grinding. Like that hunger just stays in you. And instead of just sitting around waiting, twiddling your thumbs, you want to work. you want to strive to go and get something. And yeah, you got to keep that fight, man.
And he done talked all this queen talk, all this sister talk. You mean to tell me ain't none of them sisters? You might need to get you a white bitch, nigga. Oh, nigga, I know some nigga ain't white bitch ain't go, man. You go get your white bitch. She Susie Tuesday, nigga. Oh, yeah, nigga. Yeah, Raquisha ain't it?
Why do you think that? Because I suspect, I don't know for a fact, but I suspect that the majority of the donations that he's gotten for his school over the years had to come from black women, right? Why do you think that black women are so easily finessed when it comes to pro-black talk, the community?
They're emotionally responsive and emotionally driven. And he panders to them. He panhandles to their emotions.
That's true.
Yeah,
that is very true.
And so does the preacher. That's why the preacher don't ask for no money before he preach.
Yeah.
He wait till he done tapped into your emotions. And then he have to come with a scripture. Every time the preacher asks for a donation, he have to dress up. He have to dress his words up before he give it to you.
Yeah.
And nigga, he used the scripture towards your emotions. And nigga, a lot of time it's shame. Well, will God say, will a man rob God? And he'll find the scripture and show you where nigga they say, yeah, man, to rob man. Nigga.
Chill, no.
So
chill out, bro.
Yeah, homie, it's easy. It's easy. That's why most people who create commercials and do advertising and marketing market towards the woman because you appeal to her emotion.
Yeah.
And that's how you get them. And so a clever guy like him, that's why it's queen this, queen that, and he never rebukes them. He never chats him.
There it is. That's another gem. When you're trying to market, when you're trying to do a commercial, when you're trying to get money or whatever, you go to the woman. Because I'm telling you, she's going to convince herself. If you can have her questioning herself, and then you can apply this to a lot of other different things. You got the sale. I'm just gonna say that you got the sale. You got whatever it is that you're trying to get across. If you got her to second guess or question herself, at least a little bit, I'm telling you.
Everything they do is coddled.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and everything black people do, he coddles. So he never holds us responsible for anything. That's because he has to come beg.
Yeah.
So the preacher really can't preach how he want to preach because he needs his congregation to keep this lifestyle.
Have you heard of let me shift gears for a minute because I'm gonna try to set that up and I'm gonna see what I can do.
Yeah, I love it. And I'll civilly have a discussion with him. I'll civilly talk to him.
Have you heard about that church shooting today or yesterday? So basically this is what happened. It was like a Catholic church / school. It was like a Catholic school, first week of school. And I'm not sure exactly where it happened at, but it's the first week of school. It's like all over the news now. And it was confirmed to be a trans person, right? The guy was
the third time I think one of them done that.
Yeah, it was. Damn. The guy's name was he was born Robert. He changed his name to Robin, right? And then he basically killed 2 confirmed dead, and it's like 11 children, elementary school children that's in the hospital. And so basically what he did was he shot all of the kids from outside of the window. He 2x4'd the door closed, so it wasn't no escape route. And then he was shooting inside of the through the windows while they was attending mass to celebrate the first week of school in a Catholic school. What do you think about that? Because a lot of people are having a conversation saying that maybe it's some mental health from becoming trans or something like that.
I'm trying to hold my tongue right now. I believe that a lot of these people are mentally ill. Like those people that sit there and struggle with what they are. I think that's psychological, man. That's something that's a mental illness that a lot of those people have. And I firmly believe that they need to go sit down and speak and talk to a therapist or a professional to help them get through that as quickly as possible. Like when I say get through that, I mean like bring them back to actual reality. You were born a man. You are a man. You were born a boy, you're a boy. You were born a girl, you are a girl. Like, when we start blurring the freaking lines, man, with these people, what you're doing is you're just confusing them even more. And again, dope, man, that stuff, it just a lot of those people be so freaking close to the freaking edge, and they think that when, instead of being honest and being real with them, you think a lot of people believe that they're helping them by telling them, if you feel this way, then you are. No, everything, every bone in their body, every speck of freaking DNA is telling them they are not.
It is.
Man, let me.
When you was explaining that to me, that was my initial thought, and I was saying, man, you better not say that.
You say everything else, you better say.
That's my first thought when you was saying that
it was a trans person.
Well, not that it was a trans person. When you said it was a trans person, and this person does that, and so I was trying to figure out a way how I was going to respond to that without sounding like I was bashing gay people.
Well, let me also add some additional context.
Because I was going to say something comical, right?
So he did kill himself before the police can get to him, and he was 20 something years old. I don't know exactly how old he is.
So it's like the third trans person that done killed kids and shot up. So I think it was Nashville, Tennessee, like 2 years ago.
Yeah.
And there was another one before that. So nigga, you know, up until what, 72? Maybe 74. Nigga, homosexuality was considered a mental illness.
Yeah, it was.
Nigga, it was in the psychiatrist's books.
Yeah.
Nigga, it was assessed as a nigga.
It's funny you say that, because that's one of the things that I had started agreeing with Umar Johnson with when he first popped on the scene. He was talking about that.
Yeah.